Welcome to IndianShareTips.com, and in our quest for the health, we have started a diet plan in our organization for which we had taken the heaviest person 105 kgs. So this is the base plan which is to be taken for day 1 to day 3, and in this you start with the morning jeera water. This jeera water, remember that it is to be soaked in the night and then boiled in the morning. This is basically to detox your body. And then morning you will have, after 15 minutes or so, 5 almonds, 2 walnut. These are also overnight soaked, and you can also have 2 dates along with it. Another 10 minutes to 15 minutes you can have a bowl of fruit, which can be either apple, banana or 1 papaya. If you are not having bowl of fruit, you can consider 1 apple piece or 1 banana or 1 papaya bowl. Or alternatively, if you don't want to have the fruit, you can have tea with bhuna chana in the morning, say 8:25 or 8:30. So, and breakfast should be compulsorily taken during 9 to 10 a.m. It can be either dalia with vegetable or namkeen oats or vegetable sandwich. Our overweight guy was very happy with the namkeen oats because it was almost similar to Maggi. The namkeen oats which was used was of Saffola brand. Followed by 11 o'clock, you can have vitamin booster in the form of multiple seeds which are available in the market, and it will help to boost your immunity also and gives you multiple type of vitamins. So 12 o'clock midday meal is there, which is either salted lassi or nimbu pani 1 glass, followed by green tea at 1 o'clock. You can have green tea or green coffee 1 cup. And lunch compulsorily by 1:30 to 2:30, which includes 2 jaw roti. And how this jaw roti is to be made, you have to mix 50% jaw atta with 50% wheat atta. And you will have 1 vegetable katori, 1 salad katori, 1 curd katori plus 1 tablespoon chutney. No more than that. Then we come to the midday meal at 4 o'clock. So you can have either tea, coffee or milk 1 cup plus fox nuts 2 handful. Then we come to the evening snacks at 6, which is a fruit bowl. And 7 o'clock you can have metabolism booster in the form of green tea or green coffee 1 cup. And dinner should be compulsorily taken between 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. So it is 2 jaw roti with vegetable 1 katori, salad and chutney. For late night cravings, if after this you feel that you are still feeling hungry, you can go with 1 fruit, that is apple, papaya, pear or guava, any of this fruit. Or alternatively, you can go for milk or tea / coffee. So there are some riders attached to it. Keep a gap of minimum 1.5 hours in between your sleep and dinner / lunch. Vegetable and fruits to be used as specified in the list, that is apple, papaya, pear / guava. Milk to be used is skimmed. So the gentleman in question is using the yellow packet milk provided by Virka, which is a low fat milk. In salad, you can use carrot, onion, tomato, radish, lettuce, cucumber. Radish is not to be used in late night. Chutney should be homemade, that is can be pudina, dhania, onion, raw mango, tomato, garlic. And remember to drink at least 10 glasses of water. This is important. That is minimum 2.5 to 3 liters. And remember, you should be doing at least half an hour of the exercise, which can be cycling or walking, or you can even use a cycle which is available in the home itself for exercising purposes. And most important, time adheration is important. So you can start your day from 8 o'clock in the morning with the jeera water, which is the detox water, and thereafter 15 minutes gap. So remember to subscribe to our best bank nifty option tips and make money with us even with a small capital of 5,000 rupee. And why we are doing this? Because your being healthy is very important for you to enjoy the money which you are generating for yourself and your family.